Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a gift card on Steam. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the store page. Now, directly from the store page, in order to buy any gift card, click on the Steam gift cards option at the top left corner. You can now click on Send a digital Steam gift card or the Add funds to my Steam wallet, depending on whether you want to send a gift card to someone else or buy it for yourself. After clicking on your desired option, go ahead and choose the balance for the gift card that you wish to buy. You can then search for your friend for who you wish to send this. And after choosing your friend or multiple friends, you can add a personal note. And after this, you can enter your payment information. Finally, after verifying your payment info, your purchase will be confirmed and your chosen gift card will be delivered to the target account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy a gift card on Steam. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.